I'm here with the prosecutors and investigators who have worked diligently on the investigation of criminal attempts to interfere in the administration of Georgia's 2020 presidential election. Today, based on information developed by that investigation, a Fulton County grand jury returned a true bill of indictment, charging 19 individuals with violations of Georgia law arising from a criminal conspiracy to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election in this state. The indictment includes 41 felony counts and is 97 pages long. Please remember that everyone charged in this bill of indictment is presumed innocent. Specifically, the indictment brings felony charges against Donald John Trump.
You know, he would step across the line. Habitually, he's a habitual line stepper.
I'm JJTP, a lawyer, not your lawyer, still a super lawyer, and all that jazz. I wasn't even gonna film today. I got so many other things I wanna do, but then I looked down at my phone and I got this breaking news. Donnie, old girl's coming for that ass. You gonna pay what you owe, playboy? Let's talk about it. So here I am, chilling, living my best life, not even thinking about filming. I got a couple of videos I want to put out, but then I get this bing bong on my phone right here, and I look and I'm like, what is this? Oh, your boy got indicted again in Georgia. So I had to talk about it. This is fresh off the press. I was gonna call my boy down in Fulton County to kind of get me a little taste of Georgia law so I can kind of speak on this with a little bit more authority, but literally right off the press, let me show you what I got here. And maybe I can put it up on the screen, I don't know, I'm not sure I'm gonna edit this. But State of Georgia versus Donald John Trump, Rudolph William Louis Giuliani. They got a guy named John Carlos Eastman, he's involved in this. Mark Randall Meadows, Kenneth John, what's that say, Creasebro, whatever, Cheesebro, I don't know the man's name. Jeffrey, this other fella, Clark, Jenna Ellis, oh, Ray Smith, number 3. They got Robert David Chesley involved in this. Michael A. Roman's in there. David James Scheffner. And they got a whole bunch of charges. Some people look like they about to go to jail. So, I also read that his lawyer was involved in this too. This might not be the full indictment. This is a picture of the cover page from the grand jury, which is supposed to be secret, but since it's out, I might as well do the video. So, I mean, they got a whole list of charges here. So, just reading this off jump, Donald Trump is charged with counts 1, 5, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, probation, valuation, all that, 27 to 28, 29, they got him on 38 and 39. So this tells me, oh, down here, this other guy got 40. So there's at least 40 counts in this indictment when it's gonna drop, whenever that is, right? So just looking at some of the charges involved here, violation of the Georgia RICO statute, racketeering, and corruption organized act. For those who don't know what RICO is, it's what they normally get mobsters on. Yeah, exactly. Solicitation, a violation of an oath of public, oh, there's my boy right now. Hold on, let me take this real quick. Yo. And we're back. So before I was only reading the cover page of the indictment because that's all I had. Now I got the whole thing. So there's a total of 19 people here. And so I guess the people I missed was Sean Tresser, Still, Stephen Lee, Harrison, Prescott, Floyd, Trevin, I'm gonna go with Cootie, Sidney Powell, that's what I was trying to tell you, the lawyer right now, I know he was on it, Catherine Latham, Scott Hall, not The Outsiders, this Scott Hall, and Misty Hampton, she got an AKA Emily Misty Hayes. But there's a total of 41 actual counts here, the last one being perjury. And so, yeah, it's not looking good. Apparently there was a press conference. My boy kind of gave me some of the insights here. They told your boy Trump, you got until noon Friday to turn yourself in, all right? If you ain't here by noon Friday, we send the posse. We coming to scoop you up. So anyway, so we'll see what happens by then. Right now, it is actually midnight on Tuesday. So Trump got a couple more days of freedom before they want to see you. They want to talk to you. You know, they want to know where you pick you up at. But next spot they got here, they say it's a RICO trial. In the RICO trials in Georgia, you got to serve all your time. You ain't getting out on no probation. You ain't coming out early. You have to serve time on this RICO trial, Playboy. Grand jury, they were deliberating till 8 o'clock, it looks like, and then they came with a true bill, which basically means they said, yeah, we think this dude did this, and all 19 defendants are gonna be tried together. So, what were those charges? I mean, I don't know where I cut off, but at least for President Trump, which is what people are probably interested in, it was count 1, which was the violation of the RICO statute I mentioned before. Count 5, solicitation of a violation of the oath of office by a public official. They got him on number 9, conspiracy to commit impersonating a public official. Number 13, which is false statements and writings. Number 15, which is conspiracy to commit filing of false documents. They got him on 17, conspiracy to commit forgery in the first degree. 19, conspiracy to commit false statements and writings. What did we say? 27 to 29. So those are filing false documents. 28, solicitation of violation of oath of public officer, and 29 is false statements and writings again. Then they got them on 38 and 39, which are solicitation of violation of public oath of a public official, and then false statements again, 38, and then both two of the same things. So all that being said, that's what we have now. This whole total indictment, I have here 98 total pages, and what's interesting to me as a lawyer is a lot of it single spaced. The spacing to me is a little bit weird, which tells me that, you know, they got a lot of information in here. I wouldn't have written it like this, but you know, that's how they wrote it. I mean, I'll post it I'll post a link to it somewhere if you want to read it yourself. But yeah, I'm not gonna have time to give this a quick read through, but we all saw what happened. Essentially, my understanding is that former President Trump attempted to have the election overturned. Y'all heard him on the phone. He said, hey man, find me some votes. And there's a legal way to challenge the election. This wasn't it. So based on this, I mean, all jokes aside, your boy might be going to jail now. But stay tuned. We'll all find out. Stay tuned to this space. Like, subscribe, share, do all the things. And that's all I got for you now. JJTP out. Peace. One more thing, y'all. I mean, I was gonna end this video, but this part just sent me. I mean, you see right here? This is the list of charges they got, hopefully, right here in this area. I'm putting right there. See, look at the tippy top right there. See right there, the one at the top? It says it's a serious felony, sir. Serious felony. You going to jail. Going to jail. All right, we out. Peace.